Hi, my name is Micheal Skiersch. I'm the tile teacher at Strling Hall in Lake Forest, and today we're going to make some quick 2x2 tiles, decorative tiles, and we're going to do this in two parts. Alright, some of the things you need are clay, water, rolling pin, carpenter's square, wire tool, various tools for decorating, and a rib tool, cutting tool, a couple of dowel rods, and a canvas board. So you have some canvas to roll it out on. Okay, we're going to cut the slab. I like to roll my slab in two directions so I get more even shrinkage. I'm going to make it closer to the size of my dowel rod so I don't have to roll too much out. The dowel rod's next to it. So I rolled it out in one direction. I'm going to flip the clay and continue rolling it to my desired thickness the other direction. All right. Next thing we want to do is texture the piece. Use various tools, things I find at garage sales, like this, massage tools. You don't want to fill it in too much. We want to leave some raised areas, some recessed areas. Also have some letters. Now we have to let it dry. It's better to cut it once it's about leather hard. We get sharper, cleaner edges. Now that our clay is leather hard, we can start cutting it into 2x2 tiles. When I cut it, I use my carpenter's square. I'll cut them in, and I will cut two square edges. Keep the scraps to reclaim. So now I know I have a square edge here. I can take that square edge, line it up here, and that gives me approximately 2-inch wide tile. I'll line that up. Right. There's going to be some we don't like, some we like. We just clean up our edges, and we have some beautiful little 2x2 decorative tiles. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week for another 5-minute video.